Welcome. This is part 2, lecture number 37. Okay, now question 4. I am continuing. Now onwards, unless it is required, every question simple. See, space problem. I cannot waste time on waste space here. So question I will dictate. You should clearly hear the question and write after going through the class. So question 4, I am dictating. Only in the notes I am writing all these things. A simply supported beam of span L is subjected to a concentrated load P at L by 3 from left end. Find vertical reactions at the support. It's a question. Okay, start. First put the sketch. Span L, load P at L by 3. This is the given, you write here. This is the given beam with loading. See, if you want, you can write. Next time I won't write. This is the given beam, or this is instead of given beam, you can write here. Instead of given beam, it is better. Instead of given beam, much better word is beam with given loading. Okay. Given loading, just to understand. Okay, start. Now, solution. I am solving systematically. See, everything systematically. I told already both are simple supports. Therefore, these all you can add if you want. See, you can write here. Since both are simple supports, there will be only vertical reactions at the support. Since the loading is down, the vertical reactions will be up. Anyway, the assumption of direction is your choice. By chance you take wrong direction, negative sign will come. So these all you write. Next time I won't tell all these things. Let VA and VB, both considered to be upward, be vertical reactions at supports A and B respectively. Now sketch one more beam. I forgot to write AB here. This is A, this is B. This point name is not required. Okay. AB. In the SSB BMD you require it. Start. L P by 3. As usual, take moment about A. Sigma M about A0, clockwise positive. Wave means those who are serious should write algebraic sum of moments about any point equal to 0, considering both action and reaction. You will take moment about A, or algebraic sum of moments of the entire, for the entire system of forces, or for the beam with action and reaction about A equal to 0. Now onwards, I will not tell this one. Okay, start. Clockwise positive, you can take whatever you want. See, moment about A. Now, last time I will tell. When you take moment about A, it is VA into 0. So every class I cannot tell this one. I already told 100 times. Okay, start. So take moment. VB into L, anti-clockwise, plus clockwise. P into L by 3 equal to 0. So this also I will not tell again and again. Minus, see, minus is there, plus is there. This minus, you take that side, become plus. So that VB, L will cancel, VB will become P by 3. Primary school mathematics. See, sometimes what happens is the sign important. If one term is negative, one is positive, answer will come plus. Okay. It will come plus P by 3. Sigma V0 upward positive, right here. Algebraic sum of the vertical forces equal to 0, considering both action and reaction. Plus VA plus VB minus P equal to 0. You already got VB value. Substituting VB equal to plus P by 3, VA plus P by 3 minus P equal to 0. This also I will not tell. So VA plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. When you take that side, it will become plus 2 by 3 times P. Therefore, reactions at supports are as shown below. Once again, last time, we got a positive sign for both reactions. Positive sign indicates that what directions you assumed is correct. So, enter in the same direction. Question is over. Simple question. Now, or this is optional. Directly refer part 2, lecture 36. Now I will not tell. Last time so much I told, not only last time, previous class, lecture 35 I started, 36 fully explained. See, whenever you get such beams, you don't have to waste time like this. See here. Now, already I told you, I will tell last time. In future, I will not tell. I will tell, see, the mark right here, see. Right. Right means thoroughly over. If simply supported beam, if there are two vertical reactions are there, if a load is acting anywhere, reaction here equal to load into other distance divided by span. Or if you want reaction here, load into once again other distance by span, or any reaction equal to load into other distance by span. So this VA equal to load P into other distance 2L by 3 divided by L. L will cancel. You will get 2 by 3P. Here load into L by 3 by L. L will cancel. P by 3 will come. That is same as the answer we got there. Make a note. Now, you can make a note here. This is better, best, see. Good, better, right. Right means is recommended. Suppose it is, if you do this way, you can save the time. But don't try this for multiple loading. Someone will tell multiple loading, equation only better. Simple one load. See, but one load means need not be point load. It can be distributed load or either UDL or UVL, triangular trapezium. But for one load, you can do it actually. Okay, now this question is over. I will go to question 5. And one more thing I will tell. Observe one thing. See here, see the result here. Here load is near to support A. See, your beam is like this. You should observe these things. Load is applied near. Means this load will press left support more than right support, or this reaction is more, that reaction is. Suppose there is an arrangement here. Two people are supporting a wooden plank. Somebody is sitting very near to you, you will get more load. Or this is 2P by 3P by 3. Or this load P, whatever is load P, 2/3 of P will be transferred to this support, 1/3 of P will be transferred to that support. Okay, that note you make actually. So that extra information, if you want, you can write. Now, I want to tell one more thing. Suddenly forgot. What is the other thing I told? No, now I won't remember. While explaining that one, I suddenly thought I will tell some more concept, but I don't remember now. It came to my mind to tell. Sometimes it happens. Something comes to mind when you are explaining, but when I continue the statements all, then I forget it. Okay, when the time comes, I will tell. If I remember. No, now not possible. Okay, leave it. No time, no point in wasting time all. Yes. As I was going to pause the recording, I suddenly remembered. See, this is only for those who can understand. See correctly now. See the question. L by 3, 2L by 3. So right side distance is twice of left side distance, or distance of left side and right side are in the ratio of 1:2. If the distance of left side and right side for a point load is in the ratio of 1:2, support reaction will be in the ratio of inverse ratio 2:1. If ratio is A:B, reaction ratio is B:A. See, this is L by 3, 2L by 3, 1:2. Left and right distances are 1:2. Reaction ratio is 2:1. 2:1 means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Why? 2:1 means add those two. 3. 1 is 2 by 3, 1 is 1 by 3. Suppose you want 1:3, then 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. That way. Okay. That I suddenly remembered. Only for those who can understand those things. Otherwise, simply solve the question and try to understand more and more concept wherever possible. Next question, I am dictated. A simply supported beam of span 8 meter is loaded by a concentrated load of 100 kilonewton at 3 meter from right end. Find vertical reactions for the beam. See, therefore, very simple. Beam with given loading, as usual, put the statement. I have not removed last time. This is permanent now. So put a beam, span is 8, this is 3 meter, given sketch. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 8 plus 100 into moment about A. When this is 8, this is 3, this will be 5 meter. You don't have to write it there. 8 minus 3, calculate. 5 equal to 0. VB will come 62.5 kilonewton. Sigma V0 upward positive. VA plus VB minus 100 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to whatever you got there, 62.5. You get VA equal to 37.5 kilonewton. Or support reactions are VA is 37.5, VB is 62.5. Now, or directly, very easy, see here. If you use this lecture 36, load 100, this reaction, 100 into other distance, 3 divided by 8. And this reaction, if you stand here, 100 into 5 divided by 8. Now I will tell, if this question is coming to me, I will never write 100 into 305. What I will do is, I will see here. This is 3 meter, this is 5 meter. Left side is 5 meter, right side is 3 meter. So this I don't require this concept this much. Left side and right side are 5:3. So reactions are 3:5. 3:5 means 3 by 8 of 100 is 62.5. Yes, 37.5. Other one is 5 by 8 of 100 equal to 62.5. That's what I will do. Okay, this is also over. Next, new question. I will write the board. Now, I forgot one thing. Last time question, I am not going to board. Load was near to left support. So we got left reaction more. This time, load is near to right support. So right reaction is more. Remember, make a note. Okay, right. Next question number 6. I'll make a note there. 6th question over. Sometimes I get confusion about question numbers. Okay. Question dictated. A simply supported beam of span L is loaded by 2 point loads of magnitudes W each at distances A from both ends. Or one load W is at A from left end, other W is at A from right end. Span I told L. Or 2 symmetrically placed loads. Remember, 2 loads which are symmetrically placed at equal distances from the ends, say at A. Remember, this A is not that AB. See, I told left side is A, right side B. That is some other AB. This is given A. They can give any symbol. Okay, start. Beam with given loading. Solution. Let VA, VB be the reactions. Put the sketch. I decided to solve in front of you. No red color. I use only black color. See. Sigma M about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Write if you want statement. Take moment about A. Red I will not using. Minus VB into L plus W into A plus once again plus one more W into this is L, this is A. So moment about A is from here to here is L minus A equal to 0. Therefore, minus VB into L plus C plus WA plus WL minus WA equal to 0. Plus WA here, minus WA here cancels. Therefore, you get minus VB into L plus W into L equal to 0. L and L will cancel. Therefore, you will get VB equal to plus W. It will come plus W. Okay, then sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus W. Once again minus W equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to whatever you got plus W. What you get? VA plus of plus W minus W equal to 0. Plus W minus W is W minus 2W is minus W, goes that side. Therefore, VA also equal to plus W. Okay. Therefore, reactions are here. Answer. Now, you write all these. This is not required. See, now write here. This or is not required. Don't write it. I told now, for this question, this is not required. Now, make a note. Actually, we wasted time. You can do one thing. See, after writing all these, you need not bother about this beam. See here. Nothing required. I told you something. Whenever there is perfect symmetry, you don't have to calculate the reaction. The total load is transferred to each support equally, or both support reactions are equal. So I told you, after this statement, no calculation. Right here. Due to symmetry, your reaction VA in upward direction equal to reaction VB in upward direction equal to total load on beam in downward direction. See, reaction is upward, action is down, divided by 2 equal to W plus W. 2W is the total load, divided by 2 equal to W. Therefore, your VA upward equal to VB upward equal to W. Direct you get the answer. Don't try all these things. Okay, now I will give a numerical part now. Question number 7. I won't rub anything. Question number 7. Dictated. A simply supported beam of span, actually not required this question, 6 meter is loaded by two concentrated loads of magnitudes 40 kilonewtons each. See, I told you I am covering everything systematically. Easy question, difficult question. At a distance of 1.2 meter from ends. Okay, this is a beam. Find support reaction. Once again, write this way. Now make a note. You can make a note now. There is no need of wasting time. Directly you can write, due to symmetry, VA equal to VB. See, actually, I'll show you a sketch actually. Okay, VA upward equal to VB upward equal to total load on the beam downward divided by 2 equal to 40 plus 40 is the total load divided by 2, once again equal to 40 kilonewton. Therefore, reactions are, if you apply a load of 40 kilonewton here and 40 kilonewton here, distance of 1.5 meter from here, whatever distance you apply, no effect. 1.5, span is 6 meter. Each reaction will be equal to 40 kilonewton and 40 kilonewton. Okay. Now, even then, okay, do one thing. Right here. For those who still want to use equation of basic conditions of static equilibrium, okay, then do one thing. Sketch a beam. Briefly I will tell. Put the beam. Load of 40 kilonewton. One more load of 40 kilonewton here. This is 1.5 meter. 1.2 meter. Sorry. I told 1.2. Okay. Anyway, that does not matter. 1.2, 1.2. It does not matter. Okay. 1.2 meter. Small I am writing 1.2 meter. This also 1.2 meter. You write here, this is A, this is B. Actually, question already over. Just still, let it be reaction VA, let it be reaction VB. Actually, you write this way and directly instead of wasting time, span is 6 meter. Span is 6 meter. After all this one, you directly go to symmetry and get the reaction. Still, someone will tell, no, I want to use equation. Okay, no problem. Take moment. Sigma m about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Minus VB is not proper. Minus VB into 6. Minus VB into 6 plus 40 into 1.2 plus 1 more 40 into, this is 6 meter, this is 1.2, this will be 4.8 meter. Equal to 0, your VB will come plus 40 kilonewton. Next, sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus 40 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to whatever you got here plus 40 kilonewton. Surely you will get VA also plus 40 kilonewton. Make a note. You can still use the equation, but no, direct answer is okay. And now, next question I will write. Because 2 point rows, but not symmetrical, unsymmetrical. Question number 7. 7th over. I should make a note. Okay, now, next thing. Dictated question. A simply supported beam of span L is loaded by 2 concentrated loads of magnitudes 3P and 5P in terms of P. One of them is 3P, other is 5P at L by 3 from left end and L by 4 from right end respectively. Respectively means what? First load is at L by 3 from here, second load L by 4 here. Okay. As usual, write all the statement. L by 3, L by 4, L. Okay. Take moment about A. Minus VB into L plus 3P into L by 3 plus 5P into, when this is L by 4, this will be 3/4 of L. That much mathematical concept should be there. 3/4 of L equal to 0. You will get minus VBL. See, 3 by 3 divided by 3 plus 5 into 3 divided by 4 will come 19 by 4 into PL. Now, L will cancel. VB will come plus 19 by 4P. Sigma V0, I don't have to explain, plus VA plus VB minus 3P minus 5P equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to 19 by 4P. You get VA equal to 13 by 4P. Okay, then I solved symmetrical load S. Therefore, reactions are as shown below. Okay, over. Now, or lecture 36. Actually, for this question, this is much better. This is not advisable. But still, for understanding, actually, instead of double sketch all, single sketch you can get the answer. You apply this trick only for one load, either 1 point load or only one UDL or only one load you apply or any load, but only one. Okay, anyway, see here, just to understand, bring 3P here. 3P is at L by 3 here. If it is L by 3, that is 2L by 3. Okay, then below, bring 5P here. For 5P, that is L by 4, this will be 3L by 4. So this reaction for this here equal to 3P into 2L by 3 by L, and this reaction is 5P into L by 4 by L. I have written both the reaction. Now, these two reactions you add 100%, you will get 14 by 3P. 14 by T3. Here, this reaction here, 3p into other distance, L by 3 by L, that will come p only. Other is 5p into 3L by 4 by L will come 15 by 4p. Again add these two, right here, add these two, you will get 14 by 9p. That is same answer as that one, but not advisable. Better not go for all these things. Okay, now question number 8. Okay, I'll give dictated. Okay, I'll put the question here. A simply supported beam of span 12 meter is loaded by 2 point loads of magnitudes 60 kilonewton and 90 kilonewton at 3 meter from left end and at 4 meter from right end. At 3 from left end and at 4 from right end respectively. Over. Find reactions at supports. Okay, start. Once again put the beam. No, I have to search for the cloth. Okay, I'll wash the hands. Put the beam neatly. 60 down. This is the beam. Okay. 60 kilonewton here. 60 kilonewton. 90 kilonewton here. 90 kilonewton. This is left reaction A. This is right reaction. Right reaction A and B. Okay, distances. Whatever given right here. This is 3 meter. You can write wherever you want. This is 4 meter. 4 meter. The span given is 12 meter. 12 means, yes, 12 meter. Little out of scale. I think it should come little this side. Okay, now okay. Now somewhat to scale. Okay, this is 5 meter. This is 60 kilonewton. 1 minute. I have to check the camera. Camera I have to check first. Have I gone out of camera? Sometime it happens. Absolutely no. Perfectly correct. No problem. Okay, now, right, reaction. As usual, red color I will use. This is reaction VA. This is reaction VB. Full I will write once again. Okay, as usual, take moment about A. You get minus VB into 12 minus VB into 12. This into, I told you why I am writing it. There is a reason for it. 12 plus 60 into 3 plus 90 into, this is 12 meter, this is 4 meter. So from here to here is 8 meter. 8 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of VB. See, later when I go to SFD BMD, when such a beam comes, I will not explain reactions. I will tell already over long back. 90 into 8 plus 60 into 3 divided by 12. 75 kilonewton plus 75 kilonewton. Okay, already over kilonewton. Okay, once again. Kilonewton is the value of VB. Then sigma V0 take upward positive. That is plus VA plus VB minus 60 minus 90 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to plus 75 kilonewton. Whatever you got, then you get plus VA plus, it is a known value now, plus 75 minus 60 minus 90 equal to 0. Your VA will come 150. Oh, both are equal. 150 minus 75. Both are equal. This is a rare coincidence. See, 75. Make a note. There is no symmetry. Even then, let me see the question once again. 90, 60, 3, 4. Yes, I got the reason. It's only a coincidence. I'll give one homework for you, okay, so that it won't come equal. Okay, now, therefore, for this beam, this is not required. Okay, I will explain later if requirement is there. This is not required for two loads. Waste of time. Reactions are, see, this is the load of how much? 60 kilonewton. This is a load of 90 kilonewtons. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meter. I got the reason. Why it came equal? I came to the reason. You think. See, when something happens, I immediately think. I can make out why it happened. This is 12 meter. The reactions are VA equal to 75 kilonewton. By coincidence, VB also equal to 75 kilonewton. I will do one thing. I check the answer by taking a moment about that point. 90 into 4 plus 60 into 9 divided by 12. 75, correct? Okay, and over. Now, right here. Now do one thing. Since both came equal, you take one extra question. Extra question, you solve. I will give direct answer. Okay. Simply supported beam of span on the 10 meter span. I will put a point load here and a point load here. Now I will do one thing. Yes, got it. Something I want to tell now. Okay, 10 meter. Now, this load is 20 kilonewton. This load is 50 kilonewton. From here to here is 2 meter. This is actually 1 meter. This is, I will put, 2 meter. This I will put 3 meter. AB. Solve the question. I will give the answer for you. Answer what VA will come, what VB will come. Solve. VB will come 39 kilonewton. 39 kilonewton. VA will come 31 kilonewton. 31 kilonewton is the answer. Solve it. Now, there is one small interesting point meant only for those who want a puzzle type, or that this one I can put in the puzzle part. Okay, it is not a big puzzle. So I will write here now. Everything I will remove now. One small puzzle type. Same beam, just make a note. Suppose I give a question, 2 meter from here, one load. 3 meter from here, one load. I will put a load here. Some load I will put. I will just proceed randomly. I will put 60 kilonewton here. 60 kilonewton here and 40 kilonewton here. 60, 40. This distance I am not giving. You take whatever you want. Whatever you want. You take whatever you want. Whatever answer you want, you take it. Any distance. 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, 7 meter. Whatever you want, take it. Answer will be. But take some distance. Something you take. Your answer will be VA equal to this load, 60 kilonewton. VB will be this load, 40 kilonewton. Some will tell, sir, how possible, sir? The distance counts. They will tell distance counts. Distance counts, but does not count in this question. Reason is there. Those, Anisha, I'll check once again. Yes, distance counts, but here distance will not count. There is a delicate principle is there, or concept is there. If you got a capacity to understand it and solve, or You take some distance here, whatever you want, solve, get the answer. That's all. Depends on your capacity. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Next class we'll start 3-point loads, one question, and then I'll go for UDL, then in order partial UDL, central portion UDL, middle portion, then combinations, UVL, everything will come one by one in order.